Welcome to Cold Calling Mastery. Cold calling is one of the most powerful skills you can develop to grow your sales career and business. In this training, you will learn proven strategies, techniques, and tactics that top sales professionals use to turn cold calls into warm opportunities. Whether you are just starting out or looking to improve your calling performance, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to succeed. Many people believe cold calling is dead, but the reality is quite different. Cold calling remains one of the most effective ways to reach decision makers directly. It cuts through email clutter and digital noise. Phone calls create immediate human connection and build trust faster than any other channel. Research shows that cold calling has a higher conversion rate than email or social media outreach when done correctly. The key is understanding why decision makers still answer calls and how to position yourself as someone worth their time. Preparation is the single most important factor in cold calling success. Before you dial a single number, you must research your prospect thoroughly. Learn about their company, their recent news, their challenges, and their industry trends. Identify the right decision maker for your product or service. Write down 3 to 5 reasons why your solution is relevant to them specifically. Create a call script outline that is flexible enough to sound natural. Preparation transforms random calls into strategic conversations that drive results. A quality target list is worth more than a large quantity of random names. Focus on prospects who have a genuine need for your solution. Use tools and data to identify companies in your ideal customer profile. Segment your list by industry, company size, revenue, and decision maker title. Research each prospect individually rather than making broad assumptions. Quality over quantity applies to cold calling more than anything else. A list of 100 highly targeted prospects will outperform a list of 1,000 random names every single time. Understanding how prospects think is crucial. Most people answer calls out of habit or curiosity. Your job is to honor their time from the first second. Do not launch into a pitch immediately. Instead, earn the right to continue the conversation by explaining why you are calling and what you want from them. Frame the call as a brief consultation, not a sales pitch. People buy from those they like, trust, and perceive as credible. By approaching cold calling with genuine interest in helping rather than just selling, you dramatically increase your success rate. Your opening 60 seconds determine everything. Use the prospect's name and company name to build instant rapport. Acknowledge the fact that you are reaching out unsolicited, which builds credibility. Quickly establish relevance by mentioning something specific about their company or role. Ask a permission-based question like, "May I have 60 seconds to see if this is relevant to you?" This respects their time and gives them a clear expectation of the call length. Keep your tone warm, conversational, and natural. Avoid sounding robotic or over-rehearsed. Your opening should feel like a conversation between two professionals, not a sales pitch. The most successful cold callers are excellent listeners. After your initial opening, shift into discovery mode. Ask open-ended questions that require thoughtful answers rather than simple yes or no responses. Questions like, "What are your biggest challenges with this area?" or "How are you currently handling this problem?" reveal pain points and buying triggers. Listen more than you talk. A good rule of thumb is to spend 80% of the call listening and only 20% presenting. When prospects feel heard and understood, they become more receptive to your message. Taking notes during the call shows respect and helps you customize your approach. Objections are not rejections. They are opportunities to understand your prospect better. Common objections include, "We are already working with someone," "We do not have budget," or "We are not interested right now." For each objection, pause and ask a clarifying question before responding. This shows you care about understanding their situation rather than just pushing your solution. Acknowledge their concern as valid. Then provide a brief, relevant response that addresses the specific objection. Never argue with a prospect or get defensive. If you cannot overcome the objection, ask for permission to follow up at a better time. This leaves the door open for future conversations. The goal of a cold call is not to make an immediate sale. it is to secure a clear next step. This could be a follow-up call, a meeting, a demo, or a consultation. At the end of your conversation, clearly state what you want to happen next. For example, would it make sense to schedule a brief 15-minute call next Wednesday to explore this further? Get a verbal commitment and be specific about the date and time. Send a follow-up confirmation email immediately after the call. This reinforces the agreement and removes any confusion. A clear next step increases the likelihood that your prospect will actually engage further rather than disappearing into their inbox. Most sales close after 5 or more follow-ups, yet many reps give up after the first or second attempt. Develop a follow-up strategy that is persistent but respectful. After your initial call, wait 2 to 3 days and send a relevant email. Follow up again with another call a week later. Space your subsequent touches across weeks and months. Vary your approach and communication method. After an email, follow up with a call. After a call, follow up with a thoughtful email. Each touch should provide value, share new information, or reference your previous conversation. Consistency over time demonstrates commitment and keeps you top of mind when the prospect is finally ready to buy. Cold calling is highly effective because it creates direct relationships and cuts through noise in ways that decision makers value. Preparation and research transform cold calls from random pitches into strategic conversations. Listening more than talking, handling objections with empathy, and securing clear next steps separate successful sales professionals from the rest. Persistence over weeks, not days, is what closes deals. Most opportunities close after the 5th follow-up. Your action plan starts today. Research 10 qualified prospects, make 50 or more calls this week, and track your metrics to refine your approach. Cold calling mastery requires practice, discipline, and continuous refinement. Start implementing these strategies immediately and watch your results improve.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.